Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeline. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. So thank you for being here. And today I have another Ipsy haul. I kind of went crazy this last month and I have haul 1, haul 2, and this is haul 3. So I'm gonna post these all together like 3 days in a row if I can. And it will go in order. So you'll have seen haul 1 and 2, and it'll make you want to run to haul 3 because this one has a lot more and it's a little bit better than the other. They were all good. So anyway, let's just get to it and we'll see what we have in here. Okay, friends. First of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leave me a comment. So thank you for that. And so I'll just get into this. I have just been a real big Ipsy fan lately. They have upped their game in their sales. Their sales last month were killing it in October, and I already bought some from September, but oh gosh. But I'm going to stop. I am going to stop. But when they have things that I really like and have used, it makes me want to buy backups of them. So when they're at really good prices. So anyway, here's a look at what's all in here. And this they had a lot of doubles. So some of these items are doubles from, where you buy one, get one free. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna start. I've got my thing here. The first thing I got, I couldn't resist when I saw this because I've been looking for good, like a stick highlighter or kind of a creamy highlighter. I like to do powder over that. And so they have this Dips. It's called Status Stick Face and Body Highlighter. So I liked it was face and body. And I actually did use it today with, I put another highlighter over it, which I just filmed it probably will have gone up my BoxyCharm. In that I had a highlighter from Natasha Denona that I got. But anyway, so here's what the Dibs looks like. I love Dibs products. They're a little bit pricey. And I got so into their bronzer blush sticks that I just really wanted to try the highlighter. So, and it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but it's just, wish you could see the shine I'm getting from it. But anyway, it's really pretty. So I don't know. I don't want to start going all over my body, but it looks like it has a lot in it too. And I know these are valued over $30. So I got this. I paid a little bit more than I normally spend on things, but this was $15. So happy to see it. So happy with what it is. So it was a great purchase. So I'm excited about that. The next thing in here was just, you've seen this the refreshments bags. I just thought this might be cute to put a gift in. It was only $1. So well, anyway, got a bag. And so the next thing I have here is from Ipsy Beauty. And I'm really excited to use these. I'm curious about them. There's 2 of them here. And I don't have them out yet. But these are eyeshadow sticks, and I got 2 because I thought they would go well together. So they're Eye Lift Max. I paid $6 for each one. I think they're in the shop now, and I think they might be a little more than that. I think I got them when they were on a sale of some kind. Plus, I think I got 20% off. I don't know. I don't remember, but anyway. Okay, the colors, here's what they look like in the... There we go. And the colors are chiffon and amethyst. So the amethyst, I think, is going to be a more kind of a purple tone. And let me see here. So there's that one. And then the chiffon color right here. These look really pretty. So I'm just going to put some on my hand and just give you an idea of what they look like. Okay, the chiffon's pretty light. This is darker, but it kind of blends into my skin, so I don't know. So I don't know if you see those two colors right there. Anyway, there's the eye. So I'm excited to use these. I think they're really fun. So there's that. And the next thing we have in here is from Kofi Beauty. This is the Main Match Crease Proof Long Wearing Hydrating Concealer. That's why I like it. I like the brand. I like the crease proof, the long wearing, and hydrating. So anyway, I already have one of these. So anyway, this will just be a backstock, but I really, really like this. So I picked that up. So can't go wrong too. I love this brand. So anyway, there's that. Now the next thing I got is a dry texture volume or dry texture spray, and it's volume dry texture spray. I really like this kind of stuff, and they had two for $15, so I picked those up. They're full size. Each one's worth more than $15. So okay. Really light, pleasant smell. Yeah, I really like that. So I got two of those. And then I got another one that I got two of. And this was, I already have one. So now I have three, but I really like these. These are the Morphe setting sprays. It's prep and set. Mini continuous prep and set mist. So it's got, you spray it and it just it's an aerosol. So anyway, and it's just a setting spray and I really like it. So I got two because it was a good deal. Anyway, so there's that. The next thing I have on here is a Shine On Lip Jelly by Tower 28. When I saw this, this was only $6. You guys, it was just part of a really good sell, but I have already had this one before and I love it, and it's in the color Pistachio. It was in one of our boxes of 2 or 3 months ago, and I use this, so I love it. So I wanted to back up because I'm running, it's getting down there. So, and this one was kind of my favorite one of all of them. So I do have 2 or 3 different ones, but okay. So the next thing is another 2 items. I didn't know they were going to be so tiny, but they're the Hydrangea Tea Intensive Hydration Serum, and it's a light blue duo is what we got. And it's just a intensive hydration serum. And there we go, from Byro. I love Byro. So one of my favorite skincare. So anyway, there's that. And the last thing I have in here was from Bobe Beauty. This is a highlighter. Picked this up because it was only $3, and I was curious about this brand. I've been seeing more of this brand, and I have like blushes and stuff in this brand, so I kind of wanted to try the highlighter. So this was only $3. There's the packaging. It's really pretty gold. And I have a feeling it's going to be a darker highlighter than I'm going to want, but the packaging is beautiful. This is how their blush is too, the blush I got. Oh, it's really pretty. Look at that. Can you see the shimmer? That is so pretty. I wonder if I have a place for it. Oh, I don't know where to put it. Okay, it looks a little darker. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. It almost looks like a blush or bronzer versus a highlighter. That's kind of a bummer. I knew it was darker. I'm finding out with highlighters, I just want a pretty champagne or a light color anyway. Anyway. But it was $3 and I'll try it. I'll see if I can have fun with it. It might look nice over the bronzer too, but anyway, so there's that. So in my box, I got, let's put this all back in my box. So the highlighters there, I got the 2 setting sprays from Morphe. And while we're talking about Morphe, I'm really excited about some of their comeback. They have got some really fun items that they are coming out with, and they're actually good. They're well priced, good products. So anyway, then I got the 2 Pixie eye, the 2 Pixie eye shadows. I got the Kofi, the wonderful Kofi concealer, and let's see, I've got the 2 Verb dry shampoo, volumizing dry shampoo. I got the Tower 28, my favorite lip gloss, lip balm, lip color, whatever. So there's that. The 2 little by Row serums, and then last but not least, the Dibs highlighter. So there it is. There's my box of goodies. I was really happy with all the choice, anyway, with this box, but I was really happy with haul 1 and 2 too. So I'm set, you guys. I'm so set, and I love giving makeup too. So like, I have, you know, friends and family that I like to give it to, and it just makes me feel good to be able to give it to them and give them a couple tips or whatever. I'm no pro, but anyway. I just want to thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your support, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.